LCID stock analysis and price predictions for Lucid. Is it a buy or not? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Ultimately speaking, LCID is just a it's an interesting bearish market, let's put it this way, right? Because we were in my rectangle supply zone and I was talking about how if there is a double break, I'm looking to take it down, and technically now we're a lot lower than usual. Now if I pop up here with LCID, you will see that I got about 27 results in the Discord, so really there's not lack of coverage. And I'm here to tell you that pre-market is even lower, so this idea that I had is still gonna sit, not gonna go anywhere, and here's the proof of me calling it out.
Changed.
Right,
With
right
LCID
there.
just
And this was made like 9 days ago, so way beforehand. So let me know what is your opinion on LCID, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money-making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Like, really nothing else that I'll be adding here. The more you add, the more just unnecessary clarity gets. Have a red earning report, but it is what it is. Goodbye and enjoy.